Today I'm gonna be unboxing my new laptop, the Lenovo Flex 5, and I'm at a new place, so I can't be that loud. So yeah, zoom in a bit. Okay, here's the box. I got this. I got the 512 gigabytes version. There's nothing on this box, like nothing special, so let's get into this. I can't be that loud because I'm at my lobby. Whoa, that's cool. Okay, can you guys see clearly? Yeah. Okay, I did some research about this, and I think this is a good laptop for my school. Okay, here we go. Wait. Yeah. Here we go. This is the laptop. I got the 14-inch. Okay. I think this is just some instructions. Yep. It's heavy. Wow. This is heavy. It's like real premium. Wow. This feels so good. Here are the ports. This is I think a charger, a HDMI, a Type-C, and a headphone jack. And this is two Type-A's, and then a SD card reader, and this is the power button if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I got the Intel version. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, here's the adapter. Here is the charger. Okay, let's see. Okay, oh, I've heard that it wasn't it was something else other than Type-C. No, it was Type-C, but I think they fixed it. So yeah, nice. I'm gonna be setting it up too, so let's do it right now, shall we? Okay, here, some more papers. This doesn't feel like paper. Oh, this is 16-inch. Oh, okay, yeah. What? Switch performance FNQ, FN space to adjust keyboard backlight. Okay. Here it is. This is for the sliders for blocking the camera. Please remove. Okay, how do I remove? Okay, perfect. Now let's start it. I've pressed this on. I'm holding it down. Why isn't it turning on? The reason that I got this is because my other laptop, the screen just went out and just broke. Oh my god, it's not turning on. Don't tell me I have to charge it. I can't charge it. Let's hold it a bit longer. But this feels premium. I'm gonna use it like this as the stand. 360. Nice. So I'm gonna go and go somewhere that there's an outlet, and I think I see one nearby, so I'm gonna put it in power and turn it out. Okay, so see you there. 3, 2, 1. Now we're here. There's an outlet. Let's plug it in and turn on the outlet. Okay, here, let's see it boot up for the first time. Oh, I see the backlight, the keyboard lights. Oh, okay. Lenovo. I had the old Lenovo laptop. I had it for over 4 years. It's perfect. I think Lenovo is really good. Okay. Wow. Just a moment, okay? We'll be waiting. Can you see it? Let me just zoom in. Is this better now? Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice Windows animation. English, yep. Country reason. Yes. US. Skip. Ooh. Wait. I'll connect and be back. Okay, I think it's logging in now. I've been waiting for this. What is this? Wow. No. I want a new PC. It's not a PC, but I want to, yes, set up. Ah. I hated it. They take too long. Oh my god. Next. Put the pin. I don't want you guys to see this, so see you in a few seconds. Okay, now my pin is perfect. No one's gonna kiss it. Next. Accept. Why do you guys see this? Next. I don't care. Just give me my laptop. Ah. Ta-da. I want a game. Do I really need to? Really? Skip it for now. I don't need it right now. I'll do it later. It's a good feature. I just need my laptop. I do not care. Just give me my laptop. Man, what is the checking for updates again? What is this? Update land? Ah, your updates will take you. Okay, I already know that. Ooh, that's a good game. Play now. I'm just playing a game. Ignore me. Ah. Exit. Okay. Yes, I know. Oh, that's. Oh my god. I'm gonna stop update and go to desktop. Should I do that? Oh no. I'm just going to skip it for you guys. You guys are lucky. Okay, see you then. Maybe here now. Like it was hard. Why was it so hard? Anyways, making sure you have the latest update. Okay. I'm surprised that it didn't ask me to log in with my Microsoft account. Please keep your PC on. It's in an outlet. How am I gonna turn it off? By closing it. Sit back and relax while the magic happens. What magic? Loading? That's not magic, but okay. And I'm so dumb. It literally said it here. The AC adapter must be connected. The system will update automatically. It may cause louder fan operation. This is normal, and other stuff. We'll start before you continue. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this part. Oh, it's restarting now. Updates underway. Please keep your computer up. Restarting. Okay, now. I really need this. Wait, let me see what time it is. It's 8:42 and I need this for my school tomorrow. My laptop literally broke at school. What? Okay, welcome. Blah blah blah, except ooh. It said no underscores. Then how did I underscore it? Okay. Oh, I see. It's not an OLED. I already knew that, I think. What do I mean by that? I know that it's not OLED. But it's pretty good laptop. I can tell you that. I heard that it's pretty good laptop. I hope so. And there is a fingerprint scanner, so it must be good. And a camera blocker. This is taking too long. Oh well. Okay. Unlock your sign in. Okay, I'm gonna skip this part because I don't want you guys to know my password. Okay, see you. This is gonna be a long video itself. I'm gonna make a full review next week. My first week impressions stuff. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be too long, so I'm gonna skip this too. So, see you. Now it's restarting. That was a long update. I hope this is worth it. And I have a flight in 2 days. Oh my god, I'm gonna use it everywhere. Why is there so many updates? that one and I'll be happy. Why? I've been waiting for years. My God. Yeah. This looks 100 times better now. 98. Please get to 100 faster. Almost there. You're 98% there. Please keep your computer on. It is on. Should I just disconnect it? Okay. I'm gonna just skip this part if this doesn't change. Okay, I'm gonna skip. Okay, now it's restarting. This exact time I ended this part, so I can wait. It just restarted. Nice. Why does laptop take this long? Because this is the first time I actually set up a laptop completely. It's my first time in my whole life, and I had 2 other laptops before. Because my dad, when they get it, they just log it in with an account. Me, not even my account. Let's see. Fast fingerprint scanner. Hi. It's saying hi. My laptop is alive. Getting things ready for you. Thanks. Why is this taking forever? God. This is the truth of setting up a laptop nowadays. I'm gonna skip this part again. Okay, almost there. Woo! Wow, nice. What is this? What is Red Bull doing on my laptop? Okay. Wait, they got the logo wrong. China. What is this? What is that? Oh, the AI assistant. Okay. So that's it for today's video. I unboxed the Lenovo Flex 5, the Intel Core i5,